The shit I waste my money on. You wanna see what I got? Next thing I got was this gurgle from Yiddy. And look at that stretch. So snatching. And look how little it is. I don't even know if I could fit in this. You know how big I am? You think I could fit in this? This is a workout set. I've been working out lately. Workout shorts. Yiddy, yiddy, yiddy. Basic brown shirt. Stretchy detail around the stomach. That will definitely snatch you in. I got was this sweater. Got a zipper detail in the front. These stuff are very thick. And I like the color. It's like a gray color. Cute. Like a one piece. You got a hood in the back. Got a hood. And the pocket is like heart. This is like a chill vibe. You know, chill around the house. And the zipper is like gold. With the little Y. I like that. Hello Kitty and Forever 21 collab. Just a plain turtleneck with the little Hello Kitty. I thought this was so cute. I got the matching pants. Hello Kitty on the butt. It's gonna keep me warm in the winter. I don't even know how I'm gonna wear it. A Victoria's Secret. It's a set, just a jumpsuit set. I got these in like an extra large. I got big legs and thighs and hips and booty. Suede material. It's so soft. A bodysuit. This is from Pretty Little Thing. It's the back. Yeah, it does have a snap, so you could go to the bathroom. Lately, I've been obsessing with brown. So I got an oversized set, long sleeve. Got a stretchy waistband, very long. This is the pants. Look how long that is. I thought this dress was cute. This is also from Pretty Little Thing. It's a velvet dress. It's short on one side, long on the other. It's like a cute date night dress. Next thing was from Shein. I got two button down, long sleeve, white and pink. Next thing from Shein, this pleated skirt. I got this to wear to church. Yes, I do go to church. Nice and flowy. Long sleeve sweater. Look how puffy this fur is. The fur looks so real and so expensive. Skirt belt. Cute. From Amazon, just a long leather dress. The leather looks really good. On the back, does got a slit. It is so long. I like that. Now, last thing is the visor hat. I got this for the summer. When it's hot outside, or if I'm going to the beach or something.